The fastest way to create product images is right here. This is ImageMagik. We are already inside the dashboard. Click on Image Generator. This is your creative canvas. One box, one field. Type or paste your idea. Clear, simple, instant. Now choose your aspect ratio. 16:9 for wide cinematic visuals, 1:1 for clean social posts, 9:16 for TikTok and Reels. Every format covered. Now click Generate, and just like that, your product comes to life. Seconds, not hours. Preview Media shows the result immediately. Not happy with the first try? Click Randomize. Each click delivers a fresh perspective, unique angles, unique styles. It is like having 10 photographers working for you at once. And when it is right, hit Download. That image is yours, ready to post, share, or sell. That is the workflow. Simple, smooth, powerful. But let us break down why this matters. Think about selling watches. Normally, you would book a studio, lighting, background, a photographer charging by the hour. Now, it is seconds. Type luxury watch in a high-end restaurant. Your catalog looks premium without touching your budget. Now think beauty. Perfume bottles, makeup, skincare products. Capturing elegance takes a whole creative team. With ImageMagik, elegance is automatic. Your perfume glows on screen. Your lipstick looks polished. Your skincare line has the aesthetic of a global brand. And then there is tech, headphones, phones, cameras. ImageMagik makes them look sharp, modern, and irresistible. Want lifestyle shots? Done. Want clean e-commerce backgrounds? Done. Want futuristic advertising visuals? Also done. But we are not stopping there. Shoes, bags, jewelry, accessories. Every product benefits. ImageMagik is not picky, it delivers results across industries. Let us talk about food. Restaurants spend fortunes on food photography, lighting, props, staging. With ImageMagik, you type. ImageMagik lets you create polished visuals for listings instantly. Every room, every vibe, ready for your next buyer. This is the difference between the old way and the ImageMagik way. The old way was slow. The old way was expensive. The old way made you wait. The ImageMagik way is instant. It is effortless. And it is limitless. Creators love it. Businesses rely on it. Marketers swear by it. Because ImageMagik does more than generate images. It removes stress. It saves time. It makes you look like you have got a full creative team on standby, even if it is just you and your laptop. Let us imagine this in action. A YouTuber needs a thumbnail in minutes. Done. A small business owner needs 10 ad variations for Facebook. Done. A fashion brand needs a seasonal campaign overnight. Done. A restaurant needs new menu visuals before lunch. Done. Every problem solved, every deadline met, every campaign elevated. That is the power of ImageMagik. And let us brag for a second, because this is not a rough sketch, not an unfinished mock-up, not a placeholder. These are polished, realistic, professional-grade visuals, the kind you actually use, the kind that sell. No other tool gives you this speed and this quality together. Others make you compromise. We do not. This is why professionals are switching, because they know time is money, and ImageMagik saves both. So let us recap. You open Image Generator. You enter your idea, you pick your ratio. You click Generate. You randomize for options. You download when it is perfect. That is the loop. And that loop makes you unstoppable. From watches to headphones, from perfume to phones, from food to fashion, from real estate to retail. Every industry, every product, every creator. This is not just about images. This is about confidence. The confidence to create instantly. The confidence to sell with visuals that stand out. The confidence to deliver like the biggest brands in the world without their budgets. That is ImageMagik. Your products, your visuals, your success. So now it is your turn. Go to imagemagik.app. Open Image Generator. Type your first idea and let the results speak for themselves. No stress, no waiting, no limits, just pure creativity. Just pure results. Just ImageMagik. Voiced by us with MegaTranscript 2.0. The most advanced text-to-speech ever created. Voice is so natural, so real, you forget it's AI. Try it today at MegaTranscript.com. Hear the difference. Experience the future of voice.